Look at all these leaves. Every day, man. Every day. I have to clean this until all these leaves fall off. So we have like 1 billion leaves to clean in total. Endless quest. Annoying. Well, anyways, my scooter got stolen, so I have to use the rental scooter. Did I say scooter? Did I say scooter correctly? My scooter got stolen. I have to use rental scooter. It costs more, but it's convenient. You don't have to worry about where to park it. Here they are, my tools for today. Stello, it's called Stello. I don't know what's it called in English. You can gather all those leaves, put them in the cart, and throw them away. Make sure the cords are clean. Alright. Can't wait for all these leaves to fall. It will take a few months. Right now it's September, so it should all fall off before November, right? It's gonna be a lot of work these 2 months. I was talking about the scooter. I was saying it's a little bit expensive. Now, the scooter that was stolen from me was from 4 years ago. I bought it 4 years ago. So I used it for 4 years, and it cost me like 300 or something, under 400 I think, including the upgrade, battery upgrade. So 4 years. Let's say 400 euros. That is about under 100 euro per year. But with the rental scooter, it costs 35 euro a month. And if you buy a year's subscription, it costs a little bit less. But still, it would cost you like over 300 euros a year. That is crazy. So for the last 4 years, I've already saved like 200 euros per year, so this is pretty good deal. I mean, it's stolen, but it's in the end, the purchase was worth it. Yeah. The benefit of having this the rental thing is that you can go to other cities and you can still travel with it. You don't have to carry a scooter or a bike on the train when you travel, so it's very convenient in that way. Kiki is looking at birds, probably. Surely she doesn't ignore me. There's maybe another cat. Oh, there you go. There you go. Hello. 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 What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hmm? What do you fancy? A bird? Do you see a bird? Here you go. I don't see a bird. But, well, cats see better than me. So I don't know what she sees. Yeah. Wait, you're not Kiki? Did you change name? Is it a different cat? What's her name? Yeah, it is Kiki. It is Kiki. It is Kiki. Ooh, yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a trap. It's a trap. Oh, look at the camera. Oh yeah. Oh, forgot to point the camera at you. Alright, GG, gotta go. Oop, oop, Jesus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me go. She's gonna bite me. When I pet her, she's gonna bite me when she's lying down. Where are you going? Okay, enough petting today. Everyone's got to go home. Everyone's got to go home. Eh? Good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. See ya. See ya. Don't follow me. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, I'm gonna run.
Nothing.
Free. Nobody wants a free roaming in the city.
It's good honey.
Yeah. Put the honey in the beer, you say?
No, with
No?
almonds I said you bet, but
Can you put the honey in the beer? Though.
you can make wine with honey.
Oh.
Meadow
Okay.
is called, I think, meadow.
Whoa.
At home.
Okay, we shall try it someday. The famous interviewers, like my
Famous parents. To the cameras.
ah, cameras, very cool. Wow. Murakami, you looking for Murakami?
Yeah, that one.
Nice. I've read every single one of his novels.
Did you say there's a new one? 1st of October.
1st of October. There's a new one.
Yeah.
Ah,
You can
I don't know.
already
Okay.
buy it on Amazon. Wait.
Cool. You wanna pour it?
Yeah.
Be my guest. Do it.
What is it here for?
Thank you. Bravo. Gloschnitz.
Yeah.
The beer maiden. I reported delicious, yummy food.
Hot. Fighting on Twitter. Drink some beer.
Drink some beer. So I can fight more fiercely.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Scooter test drive. Oh my god. So fast. Hee hee.
Take it.
Hee hee.
A little bit of blueberries.
I have cat and dog on my today's vlog. I petted cat today. Now we have a dog here.
These are crystal.
Crystals.
Yeah, you know.
All glasses are crystal.
No, you can do it like a.
Even dried honey is a form of crystal.
Shut the fuck up.
It means nothing.
No, I did it once. I did it, but it's not.
No, it's just wiping glass sound, bro.
No, once. Bitch.
Pooping sound.
Like basically, you can hear.
Yeah, I understand the concept, but
I
it's
did
not.
once. No,
You're
I
not
did once.
executing.
I did it once.
Yo, this is honey wine?
No, it's a sugar wine.
Sugar wine.
I'm gonna explain to you in a bit how it's
Ice,
made.
it says ice wine.
Yeah, it's called an ice wine. Basically, Germans invented it.
Ja, ist es echt?
It's made from. This one is made in my country, but basically when you have grapes, you leave them be till December, January, or February, and the grapes become like the dehydrated grapes.
Yeah.
Which are very sweet.
Raisins.
Raisins. Thank you. Yeah, they become raisins, and you make wine with the raisins and sugar.
Hmm.
And you get this wine. But
Interesting.
you just make a normal
So more
wine.
concentrated sugar.
Yeah, you make only wine of that.
Lovely.
It's not strong. It's just like a normal wine.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, even less than normal wine. Awesome. Try it. Tell me if you like it. And then we'll go to my room.
Smells like normal wine.
Try it.
Mmm. It's just normal wine, but very sweet.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, we usually drink it with sweet stuff, like
Extra sweet.
yeah, yeah.
Oof.
Like if you were to make wine from honey, this is what you'd get. Very simple wine. It's not bad. Raspberries, strawberries, you can eat it just like that. Blueberries, you have to bite a half.
Okay.
Picky. Okay, Albert, let's go. Albert. Hey, corre, 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 corre. Corre, 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 corre. Corre, 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 corre. Look.